My name is Maddie Blomquist, and I'm the primary curator of Sacred Sounds, a compassionate listening guide to musical worship. It primarily focuses on the three Abrahamic religions, which are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, and how sound and music functions in their worship practices. There's a lot to do and to engage with here to allow visitors to cultivate empathy between Judaism, Islam, and Christianity specifically through the lens of music. The exhibit is called Sacred Sounds, and the reason it's not called Sacred Music of the three Abrahamic religions is because Islam actually doesn't share the same definition of music that we do in our Western tradition. They have different practices that are very musical, but again are not considered music in a secular sense. If you listen to someone recite the Quran, it's a very musical experience. People spend years learning how to do this correctly. It's a very notable and cherished tradition that this faith has. It's beautiful and compelling and moving in the way that, you know, the Kyrie from the Catholic Mass Ordinary is. I don't think that anyone would deny the troubled history that these three religions have in interacting with each other. Yes, there are integral differences, but that's what I found makes them beautiful. We're doing something as a community here that is sacred and that is just trying to help us become better people and draw closer to the divine. What I'm hoping my visitors will get out of the experience is they'll have a chance to practice listening. There needs to be a sense of humility and willingness to be corrected and a willingness to learn. I think art and music is a way of pulling something that's complex and difficult to understand and grapple with that's inside of us and putting it in a tangible form that we can then look at and talk about and configure and master and understand. Appreciating sacred sound and the different ways in which it's used in these practices, but also the common intention, which is to draw us closer to God, can really help establish a sense of unity and common ground between us.